Hey guys, today we are going to be painting the interior on the Genesis Coupe. I've seen a lot of wraps and everything as far as painting and all that goes on the interiors of these cars. The thing that differs though is that I haven't seen a lot of videos on how to take apart the interior, so I kind of had to freestyle that. Then I came to find out that the reason why a lot of people with the navigation system don't do this is because you got to completely disassemble rather the interior of the screen panel itself has to come out to get that plastic piece all done. There's a bunch of just small screws. It's actually not that hard. You have to disconnect the ribbon cable that connects into the screen, but once you get all that taken care of and everything, it comes right out. Ends up looking amazing. So without further ado, let's get to this video. I'm going to show you a time lapse, but I think more than anything, it's time to get down to work.
Raise your eyes, blue skies, let's move out. It's the first lift up.
Chloe!
What now, Kevin? Come on.
You're kidding me.
I have stuff to do.
Listen, I got a lot of Google coins to pay for, all right?
Right.
Pokemon balls. I have that gem game. I've got Bejazzled. I owe a couple guys money at work. I need this, okay? I don't have much going for me right now, all right? On account of the fact that I'm still waiting for that pyramid scheme to pay off. I need you to commit. What's missing?
Well, I'll tell you what. For one, all that, you need to get your life together.
I refuse to do that. What you need to do is you need to come over here, give me a spray down. It doesn't even look like I'm in a hot environment. I paid for all this stuff using Dad's credit card. I need to...
Okay. Is that good?
A little, okay.
More?
A little
You need
more.
more?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Yeah.
Okay, this is...
There you go. Working hard, buddy.
Does it look like I'm sweating?
Yeah. It looks like you've been working all day. Here, let me get you a little better.
Okay, I feel like that's a bit much, but...
You're a bit much, Kev.
Whatever, let's take it from the top, but don't look so... Just take it from the top.
Okay.
Of the day, just me and you. Reach altitude. When we get there, we can play. Take my hand.
Okay, so basically, as you can see here, I have everything completely disassembled. So that I can start sanding it, I used a 320 grit. You can use 320 or higher for this. 320 is adequate. If you want a really smooth finish, you can go higher grit, but I've found that usually if you're going to be painting, 320 is a pretty good grit. As far as the interior went, disassembly was pretty easy. Everything just came out, just pulls out with push clips. So hopefully you have some kind of plastic pry tools. You can get them on Amazon pretty cheap. Tearing this thing out, you got it all torn apart here. As you can see, it took a lot of sanding to get this all knocked down. You want to get rid of any kind of shine. All the shine needs to go. As far as what you need to do to prep it is this right here is alcohol. Wipe everything down because you don't want any kind of grease or oils on there. It will come up as fisheye, and that's where the paint separates from the surface and creates this like little dot. It looks horrible. You don't want that. On the hinges, on this piece right here that was in my hand, there's grease on there, so again, you got to be very meticulous with this. Make sure you degrease everything. It's just preparation is what it really makes the end result so much better. This part right here, the navigation center console part, I think the reason why a lot of people don't wrap these ones is because you literally have to take the back of that, there's a whole bunch of screws, to disassemble the whole screen, pull it away from the plastic piece itself just to get it to this point. Then the buttons all just push right through. It's meticulous, but doable. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Trust me. I am just a regular guy with some knowledge on painting, but I'm no professional. So after you're all done, taking it all apart, getting it all sanded down, obviously you want to mask off anything you don't want paint on. It looked like it was going to be too much work to try to get the staples off the back that hold in the shift boot, so I just opted to tape it all off, put it all together, and now we can start spraying. At this point, what you're using is like a very light powder coat. Basically, you're just hitting it with a just very fine coat. Don't go overboard on this step. This is what anchors the paint to the piece. So you just want to get a very light coat, just basically making it so that each droplet is anchoring to the piece. You don't want to go for coverage here. You're just going for a light coat. After you get your light coat all finished, you're going to come back through in 15 minutes when everything dries up, and you're going to do it all over again. And you're going to do that for probably 3 to 4 coats. I'm using a single stage acrylic enamel here. Online you can buy these pre-mixed and sent out to you, about $20, $22. eBay has a lot of different companies that does this. Really easy to do. Comes out looking great because it has a hardener in it, so like I said, it's shiny, looks great, comes in a can. You can get it mixed to any paint code you want, and it's like 22 bucks. I mean, really, you'll get this glossy, clean, beautiful finish just like you would on the outside of a car, but from your interior. And the end result, as you piece everything together here, it looks so great. And I know a lot of people are advocates for wrapping, but when you have so many sharp dynamic angles like on these pieces right here, I really prefer to do a paint because it is possible to wrap it. I've seen the videos. I've wrapped interiors before. In my archive here you can see I do have some other videos, but this, I feel like, just comes out the best. So tell me what you think in the comment section below.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.